Welcome in the next slide. So now this is question number 6. According to this question, there is a card from a pack of 52 cards that is lost. From the remaining cards of the pack, 2 cards are drawn and are found to be hearts. Find the probability of the missing card to be a heart. Okay. So now here one card is missing. We don't know that from a deck of 52 play cards exactly which card is missing. So that's why we can assume that E1 is equal to event that one missing card is a spade, E2 is equal to one missing card is a diamond, E3 is equal to one missing card is a heart, and E4 is equal to one missing card is a club. Then probability of E1 equal to probability of E2 equal to probability of E3 equal to probability of E4, and that is equal to 13 divided by 52, because total number of each of spades, diamonds, hearts, clubs in a deck of 52 play cards, that is equal to 13. Okay, and total number of play cards in a deck of play cards, that is 52. So probability of occurrence of this event will be 13 by 52, and that is equal to 1 by 4. Now A is equal to event of selection of 2 heart cards. Okay, then probability of A slash E1 means probability of selection of 2 heart cards when one missing card is spade, then that is equal to 13C2, because the number of heart cards is 13 in number. So number of ways of selection of any 2 heart cards, that will be 13C2 divided by, since one missing card is a spade or one card is missing, okay, then obviously total number of cards left in the deck of play cards, so that will be 51. So divided by 51C2. After simplification, we are getting 312 divided by 5100. So this much figure we have kept. It is so because that our calculation may become a bit simpler due to this reason. Probability of A slash E2, this is equal to 13C2 divided by 51C2 equal to 312 divided by 5100. Okay, this is the situation of selection of 2 heart cards when missing card is diamond, and event of selection of 2 heart cards when missing card is heart. Then in that case we'll have to select 2 number of heart cards out of 12 only. It is so because that one missing card is heart. So total number of heart cards in a deck of play cards, that is equal to 13, out of which one is missing. So in that case we have to select 2 number of heart cards out of 12 only. So 12C2 divided by 51C2, and that is equal to 264 divided by 5100. So probability of A slash E4, even that will be equal to 312 divided by 5100, and reason is very obvious. Then probability of occurrence of E3 when A has already occurred, means to say that probability of the missing card heart when 2 heart cards have been selected randomly. So that will be equal to probability of E3 into probability of E3 intersection A divided by probability of A. So here also we can apply the formula for conditional probability. Okay, and after application of the formula for conditional probability, in numerator we are getting that it is probability of E3 intersection A, where we are applying here the multiplication theorem, and in denominator we can apply a total probability theorem. So in this way, what the theorem here we have applied, so that is Bayes theorem. Okay, that is Bayes theorem. So according to Bayes theorem, our expansion of probability of E3 when A has already occurred, so this is the expression. So this expression is containing the results of both multiplication theorem and total probability theorem. So after that we can set here the data, okay, as per this frame, and after simplification here we are getting the result 11 by 50. So I hope that this thing you will have understood. Thank you.